Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zeroed Scalping. Today I would like to bring how to read a chart, a knowledge series 1. I would like to start as I promised last week that I am going to bring a knowledge series session that is all about what we mean by stock market, what we mean by buyers, sellers, what we mean by index, and what is nifty, bank nifty, what is P and C, out of the money, in the money, or the money, and what we mean by the ATM, OTM and ITM, what we mean by a bull candle and bear candle, opening price and closing price, and what is the meaning of support and resistance. So, and what is last is very important, the concept of zeroed point for entry in the stock market. So I want to touch upon all these critical points today in the knowledge series 1. Okay, so just try to understand the stock market. What do you mean by stock market? Stock market is buyers and sellers activities going on in the shares of a particular company. Like example, Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. So these are all the different multiple companies. Shares are listed in BSE, and that will be traded on a daily basis. So what the NSE and BSE and Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 is all about a combination of these specified shares. Nifty 50 means 50 company shares are listed and their average prices are on a daily basis, how it is moving. That will be factored in an index called Nifty 50 index. And similarly, Bank Nifty, the banking shares, whether it is private or public listed companies in NSE, those group of company banking sector company banks shares are listed and their prices how it is moving on daily basis due to buyers and sellers activity in the stock market. So that will be indicated in a bank nifty. So heavyweight in the Nifty and 50 or Reliance is having the majority of the portion depends of the Nifty movement is on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank and SBI, ICICI Bank, majorly HDFC Bank. Okay, so these are all the prices are factored. Heavyweight companies in the Nifty and Bank Nifties are in Nifty, Reliance, and in HDFC Bank. In Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank. Okay, so what do you mean by P and C? P is when you think a market is going up, put option will fall, and when you call options will rise along with the market. When the index is going down, all the shares are going down. Examples in Nifty 50, Reliance is going down, all the shares in the components of 50 companies going down. P will be moving very fast and it will give a high return. Okay, it's a option buying and selling bet will be going on in those options that they will think market will go down, they will buy PE. Okay, if a person thinks that market is going up, they will buy call options. So if option series I will bring in a later stage of different series, knowledge series session, because that will take a lot of time. So I need to spend time and prepare going forward. Just it's a basic concept. When market is going up, you need to only focus on call option. If market you think it is going down, you need to buy PE options. Okay, so we are focusing mainly on Nifty 50. Okay, and what do you mean by I'll just touch upon what do you mean by ATM, OTM and ITM. ATM is at the money, OTM means out of the money, ITM means in the money. Okay, say for example in this Nifty now at 19,587 close as an yesterday's trade, right? You can see, right? So if nifty index are split between every 50 figure, there is an option, index options available for nifty. For every 100 bank nifty options are available. Example is 19,587, okay, 19,500, 19,550, 19,600, 19,650, okay. So 19,587 is very close to 19,600, right? So 19,600 is called as at the money, whether it is P or C, okay. When you go higher strike prices, 19,595 is called as deep in the money P, okay. When you are selecting the price below 19,500 CE, that is called in the money CE. Out of the money CE, if you go 19,500 CE, that is out of the money, because market is at 19,600, right? You are selecting 19,600 CE, you are betting it will go until there, then I will book a profit. So if it is not going, that will go and become a zero, right? So which one to buy, which one not to buy? Very important. Option buyer, basically they need to focus on at the money, at least in the money 50 or 100 points. Do not go, if you are not very sure or if you are not a professional trader, do not go out of the money, because risk management and execution and entry and exit, you should be very perfect in the graph, okay. So focus as a beginner in the money scripts, okay. And what is best for buyers is at the money and in the money, okay. Don't go out of the money, because even though market goes in your direction, out of the money will come back to the cost price, and also goes down below your cost price of the buying price of the option, okay. You should be very this option buying and option selling, there are two concepts. Option buyers भी रहते हैं, option sellers भी रहते हैं, ठीक है. Option buyers they should be waiting in the market before taking an entry, keep doing analysis, do not have a mindset of sellers and take an entry and sit quietly, okay, with a big capital, and you're buying, and if it doesn't go, that will definitely become a zero, okay. What do you mean by bull and bear candle? I'll just touch upon that points. Bull and bear candle, okay. So red candles are bear candle, green candles are bull candles. Why that is called bear candle? This is the opening price. The sellers came and pushed down over here 19,463, from 19,492 to 19,463, 40 to 50 points down. So this is the opening price, this is the close price, right? So from the top, the sellers always push down towards down. Always the bears think market will fall, okay. That's why whenever they see bear candle, they try to come and sell. Whenever bull candle is something just opposite to that. Open price is here and close above, close on the above from the opening price 19,464. They tried and pushed until here 19,476, not 19,492, okay. They tried push, but they could not. Then opened slightly below the close price, and then they tried to push, but they could not break the opening price of the previous candle, okay. Who is dominated here? Domination is clearly looking, sellers are very dominating. They are not allowing market to go up. And also here you can see sellers pushed very hard. They tried bull spot here to push the market up, but they finally failed and came here and they halted the market. Finally this bull has come and he taken over the bear candle, and this here the trend is reversed. This is the bull candle, this is the bear candle, okay. That is simple. Opening price से नीचे आके close करेगा, that is called a bear candle. Closing opening price से ऊपर जाके close करेगा, that is called a bull candle, okay. What do you mean by support and resistance? Support and resistance are the places where buyers and sellers are domination area. Okay, so buyers are dominating, that becomes a support. Sellers are dominating, that becomes a resistance. In this case, in this chart, let's analyze where are the support. See, this was the support. Okay, this was the support in the graph, right? Here also this was also one support, right? This was also one support. These sellers pushed hard to break this and they tried to bring down. They were able to bring down only just 30 to 40 points. Okay, and again buyers have come, formed on more support. Buyers came here and then pushed higher, right? You can see. So market moves always in zigzag manner. How it will move? Like it comes here, comes again up, retracement, again buying activity, again sellers buy, and then sellers come again, like this, keep moving. Okay, in this movement what will happen? Who will have the more profit? But direction is upside only. Finally it moved very high, right? So this is the way the market moves, right? Always in zigzag. So we need to analyze the market, what is happening today, and based on that we need to take a entry. Here this is the support, this is second support, and first support and second support, right? What is the resistance? This is the resistance. First resistance at the intraday high will be always in resistance. You see, even though market went here and touched, how many times it rejected? See, finally it broke and went very high, right? It broke the previous day high also and closed successfully, right? This is one support. And always remember, when there is a close, that area is always support and resistance both. It is both support and resistance for the next day trading. Remember that. Okay, if it opens above, this will act as a support. If it opens below, this will act as a resistance. Be careful. So this one is one support, this one is second support, resistance, and this is a closing resistance and support both, right? So this is the concept of support and resistance. What do you mean by just touch upon the zeroed point of entry when you analyze the stock market index option, right? So here you see market fell in the morning, gap up means trend is up, gap up given, market is saying I am going above, but still people sold here because they had a overnight journey, positions carried, and when opened here they had a huge profit and they sold it off. At the first instance they sold it off, and they'll think of, because this is a just overnight profit, who will leave? Everybody, even if I am taking it, I will book it. So call buyers exited here, and there is a selling pressure came, and finally slowly market took a halt, and then this broke a support, and everybody thought that market will go and touch today's low. Okay, then people started to sell. When buyers sellers are available here, then market trying to move up. See market how it moves. This is when it is sold, it's support, and again took a resistance, again came down. This is the first point of our zeroed point entry, right? Zeroed, I will write here. This is the zeroed point of entry. Zeroed point of entry, right? This is our entry point. Where is our SL? SL is here, right? You have to enter 19,437, 19,400 CE. You need to enter aggressively when the second reversal came. This is the trend. Everybody sold off. Market sell off continuously for 1 hour, and when this after sell off, there should be a sign of रिवर्सल. उस इन लोगों का एसएल चला जाना चाहिए. एसएल चला गया here, they got scared, exited here, and again it reversed along with this first selling. one more time market will get scared of these people also get removed. It came until 0 here and then took a support. When this candle started to form, I will show you. You need to enter exactly the place where I am showing. Just 1 minute. This is our entry point. Okay, and when it is, where is the opening candle of this below and closing candle? Closing candle is here. If you are little bit confident of overall market, you can start taking the entry here when the close price of the previous candle is broken, slowly going up, up. Take the entry here and keep the SL here. Okay, this will be a first entry. You need to go along with the trend, right? Bigger trend, I mean to say bigger trend, and you can book profit until here. It is how much point, right? See, from here it went almost 39 points. The money will give 30 to 20 to 25 points. 25 points in one lot of Nifty is almost 1250 rupees, right? It's 20 to 18 to 20% return. So in market, if you are able to catch 8 to 8 plus 5 to 8 is minimum, 8 to 15% return as a beginner, you are a good trader, believe me, right? But only thing is, before that you need to learn what are the entry points. Where, see, everybody are thinking here sell, reversed, these guys are SL gone and market falling down until here. Who will think that market will fall? Everybody will think. That is a point that is called zeroed point of entry. You need to take a huge risk. Though market is falling in all the corner, falling, everybody thinking, at that point you need to take a calculative risk and then enter. Okay, you need to maintain your SL also, right? So it came, struggle, see, suddenly reversed. Every day will happen like that. So I will take a entry based on this is a selling day, okay, and this is a buying day. Where is your, this buy happened, right? From here to push here, and when is this trend is holding, right? When the previous candle's low is broken, right, close is broken and the green candle almost vanished, there, that is the point where that uptrend is disconnected. When the uptrend is disconnected, what is expected? Market, I said how it moves. It moves like this, right? We need to enter at the low. If you are thinking going high, this is the entry point, right? Today you see how it gone. It buying, open gap up and going continuously. Finally it took a little bit pause. When you consider this pause, when the previous candle's close is broken downside, that is pause, and mark that line, that area, very crucial area. If it is sustaining and giving breakout, then go for buy say. If it is sustaining and giving breakdown, you need to go towards downside entry. Okay, on that day what happened, you see here, I will show you. This is the entry point, right? This is the resistance created and this is a support created. This is the first support, went high, again came down. If you are confident, aggressive entry भी ले सकते हैं इधर. मतलब aggressive मतलब you are confident that market is in uptrend, it is given uptrend, दोनों match हो गया. In the opening itself went high and buyers will be definitely coming here and then buy. SL हो सकता है, ठीक है. If it comes down, you just close your eyes and then exit. Think of taking trade or no trade for the day. Take one trade. Because of your analysis, you just go by the one analysis. If you are taking a buy view, be in the buy view only. If you are taking a sell view, be in the sell view only for an entire day if you want to trade. Okay, I suggest go by one trade or two trades according to your analysis. Then you will be able to book your profit and you will be sustaining in the market. Okay, If you take more trades, then that will be a very difficult task for you to maintain the profits you earn in the morning session. There are so many people who earns in the morning, and they end of the day they lose, and even sometimes they give capital back to the market and go home, right? So guys, this is how the market works. Okay, always remember that market goes in a how a market goes: up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, these are all the resistance created. Resistance, resistance. These are all the support. Sorry, so this is the resistance. Okay, this is the support. Right. So always moves market by creating support and resistance, not the trend lines. Trend lines only gives you some hint. Market is going in which direction. That is all depends how you are going to take the trade, right? And when market moves down, how it moves down? Go down, up, 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 up. You see, these are all called what? The line which I am drawing is called as, this is all resistance. These are all resistance. These are all support, right? So like this, keep moving. Only thing is we need to ask ourselves how we are going to do analysis. Going forward, I will bring more videos on educating you people how to take entry and how to exit, how to maintain the risk reward and make a trade. So 5 to 10% on a daily basis, if you do analysis, take one entry, whether it is loss or profit, based on your analysis, you will be a profitable trader. You will be a profitable trader. Don't watch anybody's video and take trade. You have to drive your Mercedes Benz. Then only you will enjoy. If you watch someone videos, try to copy those ideas, that may not be working for you because they will have different techniques. When you drive vehicle, there is a way you put a hold a clutch and put a gears, right? So everybody will have different techniques that may not be suitable for you. Maybe sometimes might work for you, but in the longer run you will lose that concept because you will be depending on those guys. When loss happens, you leave that concept and then search another concept. So don't do that. So going forward, I will bring all of you the how to read chart and more knowledge towards exit and entry. Entry तो मैंने बता दिया. अभी we will discuss going forward what you mean by zeroed point for entry, how to analyze on the chart, live chart, and take entry and keep a sell. After that, book a profit. These are all the critical stages, guys. I will going forward post videos which are related to stock market. It will help you to learn and let's earn together. Okay, so it's all about stock market is having a big ocean of money. That is how you want to go and bring catch the how much money you want. On the bare hand you can catch only little bit of cash, right? You can only that much you can bring. That means capital is less, you can bring to that extent of profit. Your capital is more, then you will bring more money because you are going to you are going in a boat to catch a fish. You will get more fishes, right? If you will go in a small boat, you will get a small fishes only. You cannot carry them back to home, right? If you though you catch more, you cannot carry them. You will get immerse yourself there only. The fish will only hit you. Right? Okay. Thank you, guys. So this is what I wanted to bring going forward on knowledge series session I started, and all of you please watch, subscribe my channel so that we will grow together. I will bring a very nice live videos and how I am making entry and exit, and also give a bring a knowledge series sessions to all of you to learn and explain. We can earn money together. Thank you. Thanks a lot.